Okay, I'm home from work, and as you can see, this is the first time I have opened Hearthstone since yesterday, and Ungoro is now out. Sweet. 3 free packs. Huh. Is this rotating us into the year of the mammoth? It is. So you can see the Kraken fading, and now the mammoth is, in fact, appearing. Neat. Yep, I am familiar with the concept of standard. Yep. Yep. And now they're going to explain the Hall of Fame stuff. Now I get a free dust for it. Ooh, special quest. Oh, right, to get Maeve Shadow Song. Before I go create a standard deck, I want to buy doop 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 34, since that's what I have the gold for. And now we're going to do some pack opening on video. So I've got 42 packs. And we'll see if we get anything good. With this many packs, I think we're guaranteed at least one legendary. Okay. Ooh, a Jeweled Macaw, that's good. I wanted one of those. Corrupting Mist, kinda meh. Golden Rare in my first pack, and it's garbage, so I get any rare that I want from that. Okay. I might experiment with this card in, like, some kind of N'Zoth Death, just because it's a solid Death Rattle beast. Oh, I have a playset of Corrupting Mist, 2 packs in. Okay. Ooh, Terrascale Stalker. That's good, I wanted one of those. So already I have at least 2 cards that I wanted for my, Hunter decks. Ooh, Grievous Bite. I mean, it's just a common, but I also wanted one of these. And Ravenous Pterodox, I think, will end up being really good in Warlock. I'm not, like a professional card evaluator, but it just looks kind of insane. Ooh, Crackling Razor Maw. I needed one of those. And I have a playset of Grievous Bites now, so I won't have to craft any of those. I was interested in experimenting with this car. This Meteor, I think, is more for just discovering. Golden Molten Reflection. Ooh, nice. Friend opened a Spirit Singer Umbra. I want that card. So that was a good pack. And I wanted to experiment with this card in Tundra Rhino, not so much because I think it will be good, but because I think that, like, the one time out of 100 that it does go off and stick and work and you are winning anyway, it's just really cool. But, like, this with Tundra Rhino, and you make it charge, and, and then you have a 3-mana 3/6 with this ability, and, it could be cool. And also Firefly. If I want to try out Quest Hunter, it could be pretty good. Okay, beasts. I do like me some beasts. That's a druid card, so we don't really care. Ooh, gold. Man, that guy opened a Spirit Singer and a Golden Quest. Okay, nothing too exciting in this pack. Glacial Shard could be worth considering for Quest Hunter. Ooh, a Nesting Rock. I wanted to try that out. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now a full playset of Crackling Razor Maws and a full playset of Meteors. Okay, that's... I mean, I already had one Jeweled Macaw, but... Okay, and now a regular in-garbage weapon. I don't know, I think that weapon destruction is too strong for it to kill more than one thing. And you're using your face as a resource, and wow, just Jeweled Macaws for days. Nothing super of note. Ooh. Getting our first legendary from Ungoro.
Golden legendary!
Ah, neat. It's a golden. A golden less Calidiosaur, so I'll probably be dusting that and just making the legendary of my choice. I mean, don't know that it's, you know, good at all, because I don't anticipate the Paladin quest having quite enough support to be good. It's a Hunter card. I might experiment with it in Quest Hunter.
Golden coming!
Yeah, Golden Ultrasaur. Look at me and my luck. This will probably be a good card if Elemental Shaman is good. Which, I mean, it's Shaman, so of course it will be good. Well, I certainly have enough Grievous Bites. I'm about halfway through my pack opening now. Nothing too exciting. I mean, Volcano will probably be a strong card. I just don't really play Shaman. Okay, more Crackling Razor Maws. Man, this guy is just knocking back legendaries. I don't know, maybe he's going through packs a lot faster than I am, and just bought a ton or something. Okay, another Terrascale Stalker. That's good, I needed that. More Grievous Bites, more Jeweled Macaws. More Jeweled Macaws. Oh, that's not a Hunter card. See, I'm basically viewing this as I'm getting good cards, neutral cards, and then non-Hunter cards. And I'm not saying this as a judgment of strength, but just as what I'm personally hoping to see.
Golden coming!
Eh. Ooh, another legendary. Ooh, and Gluttonous Ooze, that's a nice one to get.
Legend!
and Awaken the Makers, so that's 2 quests. Neither is the one that I want.
Rare.
But, you know, I won't say no to legendaries.
Rare.
Okay, another Ravasaur Runt. If that ends up being good, that's a nice enough pull. I just don't know if I'll be able to fit it into my deck.
Oh, legendary.
Huh. We just we just... Well, that happened.
Rare.
I wonder what the odds of that are. We just opened the same legendary at the same time.
Gold. Rare.
Earth and Scales could be good, but...
Epic.
3 legendaries and 40 packs, I'm not complaining. Especially considering that one of them was a golden legendary.
Rare.
So yeah, did I get every cool card that I wanted? No. But I do think
Golden comment.
that I've been faring perhaps a bit better than average. Lots of Envenom weapons, though.
Rare. Rare. Rare.
Also lots of Grievous Bites. Okay, and I got my second Volcanosaur. See, I knew that there was a reason that I didn't craft another one yesterday. Two quests and a golden quest.
Rare.
Ew, Raptor Hatchling. Finally, a Hunter card that I didn't have yet.
Rare.
Okay, more Grievous Bites.
Epic. Rare.
I got the Shaman quest, Priest quest, and Golden. Okay, so now we go on to deck building. So we are just gonna disenchant our extras. Yeah, you made the mage quest? I mean, it could be pretty wacky and fun. So now we are just gonna delete all of our decks because they're wild. We don't care about them no more, boy howdy. Yeah, that was just me theory crafting a bit, but then I turned it into a standard deck. It was like a week ago. Okay, so... new. Whoosh. 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 Okay, that is an extra. And it is a, oh, someone just opened a golden spirit singer. Yeah, I'm just looking for any extra goldens that I have. Since I don't really care about goldens, I'd rather have the dust. And there's a very high chance that I dust that once I've, Is a shade the same thing as an elemental? I'm honestly asking that. I honestly don't know if... Huh. When did I get that? I don't know. And, you know, golden commons I want to disenchant anyway. Just for dust efficiency's sake, so... Go into the old Rexar machine. Oop. Still had new as the search. So, definitely 2 Jeweled Macaw, definitely 2 Alley Cats, and I want 2 Hunter's Marks, I think. Not sure about the Raptor Hatchling yet. Definitely the Razor Maws, definitely the Bites, definitely the Grandmothers. I'll throw in 1 Hyena, I guess. And I like Rat Pack. I like Terrascale, and Houndmaster is pretty good. 2 High Mains are obviously desirable. And, yeah, we'll go with 1 Rhino for now. So now, do we want this to be Quest Hunter, or just try out a mid-range build first? How many 3-drops do I have? Only 3 so far, so we want to... Let's add an Animal Companion, a Kill Command, and a Deadly Shot, since I imagine people will be running lots of big things. And I think I want to go N'Zoth. So just, you know, search Death Rat. Okay, I could really use some more 4s, I think. Some more 4s and 5s. Let's see, do I... Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay, can. Okay. Okay, I think I'm cutting the Cairn if I'm gonna run a Sated Threshodon. I don't think that Barnes is actually much good in this build, just since I've got so many, kinda pulls. So let's see, what else is at 4 that could be good? Spirit Singer could be okay, but... Yeah, we could try a Bright-Eyed Scout. We've got Dust, we might as well experiment.
Look! Look!
So yeah, this is less about me endorsing that as a really good card, more about, me being willing to experiment, since it's, you know, it's the first day. And, you know, this might not be a wise craft, but I've got the Dust right now.
The greatest virtue is patience.
Where did it go? Ah, there it is. Okay, and now I want 1 more 5-drop, I'm thinking. Nesting Rock. I wanted to experiment with Nesting Rock. Yeah, there we go. So this is the deck as it stands right now. Might not be great, but we'll see. And if pirates are still common, I'm probably going to have to go craft a couple of the Glilaka Crawlers, whatever they're called. But yeah, I think I'll play a couple games, call this a video, then make another video. Perhaps after refining the deck a little.
Rexa versus Thrall.
Okay, this guy's a shaman.
For Doomhammer, let the hunt begin.
I'm going first. So I should pitch this. Try and find something better. Maybe I should have pitched the Razor Maw as well. And, you know, tried harder for a 1-drop. I can play Kindly Grandmother into Razor Maw. Okay, Kindly Grandmother is a really good answer to this. Potentially. I mean, if he can ping this, like with a Maelstrom Portal, then he can just trade this in. And we're kind of screwed, but... Okay. Ew, that is annoying. Okay, I think I trade in, then adapt.
The better to each.
And I think that I also pick the +3 health. So now my board does trade into his, at least.
Ash to ash.
Okay. That is actually inconvenient. I mean, I know that I'm not running the most 4-drops, but I've drawn both high mains and a 7-drop
Winners
already.
lose, empires fall.
So I'm just gonna have to play this as a regular. You know what I forgot? I forgot Unleash the Hounds. Unleash the Hounds would probably be pretty good.
This jungle hides many secrets.
I'm almost lost, if that's what you mean. Didn't curve out against a shot. Okay. Well. Okay, yeah, someone is super into elementals. And just drawing, I believe, incredibly well. That was bad ordering. And that was a really bad random beast. See, if I had gotten this on turn 1, and then I had been able to trade it into his 2-1 and had my thing on the field, and... like, if I had curved out, this would have been amazing. Unfortunately, I didn't. And if he has Lightning Storm or something, I just concede. Yep.
Well fought.
So, turns out Shaman is still strong. Just gotta curve, curve, curve. Against someone who, you know, misses their curve. I probably should have pitched the Razor Maw. I mean, the Razor Maw is still useful if I draw it later on. And, I really needed a 1-drop, I think. So maybe 4 1-drops isn't even enough. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do have 4 5. Or I do have 4 4-drops. Let's see. What do I cut? Thinking I cut the Deadly Shot for an Unleash the Hounds right now. If this is what the meta is going to be like. And also it synergizes well with the Scavenging Hyena. Which, honestly, maybe I should cut for now. And let's also cut the Tundra Rhino. And let's see. Throw in a raptor hatchling. And I really want to try another nesting rock. I should maybe consider throwing in an infested wolf if I'm going to be running nesting rock. Since infested wolf on 4, then I can trade it in and on 5, and that'll, you know, spawn me the 2 minions so I can play the rock. So, we'll see. Hunter could just still be garbage as expansion, I don't know. Or at least the iteration of Hunter that I'm playing.
Rexxar versus Gul'dan.
Okay, this guy's probably discard Warlock, I imagine.
Shall be mine. Let the hunt begin.
Okay, so pitch the 5-drop. And we did technically get a 3-drop. Yeah, I think that my draw was just really unfortunate last game, and his draw, my opponent's draw, was pretty good. Okay, I guess we're keeping a nesting rock. Yeah, it's almost certainly not Kazakus Warlock since Reno rotated. Yep, discard Warlock. And it looks like I'm going to be whiffing on 3. My best possible top deck would be the Terrascale Stalker. The
truth is
3 mana 3/3 that, okay. What did he discard? He's running a Stonehill Defender. Okay. Feels like maybe a bit of a waste of the Grievous Bite, but it keeps my board healthy. And, I really want that to try and get Nesting Rock value. Because now even if he plays, like, 1 minion this turn, that 1 minion can only kill one of my guys. Is the idea. Okay, he is soul-firing me in the face. He had AoE, and he soul-fired me in the face. Alright. So play the Jeweled Macaw, see if we get anything good. And I don't think that'll have a great opportunity to play the Alley Cat later, so I might as well keep curving out. Like, he could... Did Demon Wrath rotate? I think that Demon Wrath might have rotated. Okay, he finally managed to discard his Silverware Golem. He is on 4 out of 6 for the quest right now, but I can just throw this up. And we are going to trade a few in. And hope that he doesn't have Doomguard in hand. Okay, he's tapping, so no Doomguard. Something important to note is that he doesn't have, what do you call it, anymore. He doesn't have Reno anymore. Which means that, you know, his life total is a precious resource. So I'm actually not too worried about him completing the quest, because, you know, that he gets a 5-cost thing that summons 3/2 imps. The imps don't have taunt, and they make Unleash the Hounds even better. Okay, he's running Siphon Soul. Interesting choice. He still has to trade in his whole board, though, if he wants to kill my 4/4. And that could be problematic for him. Looks like that's what he's settled on. Nice.
Your weakness betrays you.
And this is just to a minion, so
Better to catch you.
no real reason to use the,
Oh dear.
no real reason to use the Alley Cats at the moment, since I've got 6 minions on board, so it would just be a 1-mana 1/1 beast.
I am the greatest Dinomancer!
You win.
Oh, is that a death rattle, not a battle cry? That card is way less powerful than I thought. So that'll be it for this video. I will maybe make some tweaks to the deck and come back in a few more minutes with a new video. So, thank you for watching. I'm pretty excited for Hunter and Ungoro, and I'll see you next time.